guys, welcome back to JD's Kitchen. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make KFC chicken from scratch. As you can see, they're all looking scrumptious and they are so crunchy. So stay tuned. Okay, so to two separate bowls, we're going to put our dry and wet ingredients separately. We're going to start with 3 scoops of flour. And then we're going to add our dry spices. We're going to add in paprika, a tablespoon or 2. We're going to add some of garlic powder. I like to be generous with it to give it the garlic taste. We're also going to go in with our mixed herbs. The mixed herbs has oregano, sage, basil, and thyme. So we're gonna add a tablespoon. We're also gonna add some more of oregano because it gives it such a good taste. This is plain oregano. To the flour, we'll also want to add some salt so that your chicken is not saltless. So some salt to it. And then for our wet ingredients, we're gonna use a cup of milk and some black pepper. We're gonna add the black pepper to the milk because it's going to be the first coating. So we're just gonna mix your spices all together. You can use a spatula or use your hands. I'm an African woman, don't have time for spatulas. So this is all mixed up. Now the process is I'm using half a chicken for this. And so we're just going to dip the chicken into the eggs, the milk, and the flour. So 1 dip in here. Then cover it with the flour. We'll use the procedure for 1 hand touches the wet ingredients, ingine iguze hizo ingredients dry. So you'll want to do a double coating on this. So irudishe kwa maziwa, the black pepper, and then back to the flour. You can do as much layers as you want. I want mine to be extra crunchy, so I'm doing 2 layers. So I'm just gonna let it stay there as I do the rest. So acha niwafanyie process tena for those who don't shika fast. So into the milk, into the flour, coat it nicely, and then back into the milk, into the flour. So since this is a big piece of meat, I want to coat it again into the milk 1 last time. Now into the flour. Imagine procedure KFC inakuanga rahisi hivi. So this will actually save you a trip to go buy KFC or to order it. So we'll do the whole procedure to every piece. And all these ingredients are all at your local supermarkets. Nothing fancy, just The spices are all affordable. Make sure your chicken is covered each and every part. Am I the only one ama ni mitu peke yangu sipendi kuku KFC chicken that the skin is like halfway? This is a big piece of meat. This is the breast. So I'm just gonna dab some of that extra flour. Give it that time to rest. As you do this, maybe to your flour, you could also add some chili, some cayenne or some chili powder, but today I just want the normal, regular KFC, not spicy. I'm not feeling the spice today. So my chili people, you can do you. So now that you're done, and all of your chicken is well coated, your oil should be boiling. As you can see, put it on low heat, or yeah, you should put it on low heat. Now I'm just gonna put the chickens in one by one. Be careful because the oil is very hot. So I am starting with the big pieces because I did not boil my chicken. And I did not boil it because when you boil your chicken, it tends to take away all the juices that are inside the chicken. So I like using my chicken when it's raw so that when it's cooking, all the juices will just melt inside of it. So I'm starting with the big pieces because it'll take time to cook. So we're gonna deep fry them the first round for at least 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the heat that you're using. Since I'm using low heat, I'm gonna deep fry them for 10 minutes for the first round. So now, as you can see, your chicken has turned golden brown. I just gonna remove them from the oil. Let the oil drip off. As you can see, it's not fully like the color, but you're gonna re-dry them. So I'm just gonna put them there to rest for a bit. Excess oil drip off. As you remove them, you can smell the spices, the herbs mainly. They already look delicious. I'm actually so happy with the results. So we're still gonna focus on the big pieces. You'd want to increase the heat to high because when the chickens are in, it lowers the temperature. So we're just gonna add this chunk piece of meat. same to the other one. So now we're gonna refry the chicken for the second time so that it cooks well inside. So here I've reduced my heat because it was excessively boiling, and I don't want my chicken to burn because as you can see it's already brown. So here is where we're gonna cover the chicken so that it cooks inside. And we're gonna do this for 3 to 5 minutes so that it doesn't overcook. So, but for me, I'm gonna do them for 3 minutes because my oil was excessively hot. So now this is after the second deep fry. As you can see, it's now a dark brown. I've already done the same to the rest piece of the chicken. So these are the last one. As you can see, this is the color that you want to obtain. A deep, nice dark brown. As you can see, they look quite delicious. And that is it. So this is what you want your chicken to look like. You can serve them with fries or just eat them like that. And this just saves you a whole trip from going to KFC and purchasing one. And this is just fun to make it at home because you can do this with your family or friends. So make sure you like, subscribe, and try out the recipe. So enjoy. See you guys next time.